Game keeps flagging the Game Library DLL is missing. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Follow me for the safest way to restore your gaming library. To kick off the Game Library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Game Library, a critical game logic library used by various engines, most notably older versions of the Valve source engine and localized game clones. It contains the server-side and client-side physics rules, player movement variables, and entity interaction logic. Missing this file causes an immediate engine error, or could not load library Game.dll pop-up because the executable cannot resolve the primary gameplay loop symbols. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Missing Game Library, DLL data often points to a failed patch within the localized game engine core logic integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Game Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Game Library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. One approach to reviewing Game Library references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Game Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.